How does practical application help with exam preparation? Have you ever wondered how putting your knowledge into practice can make a difference when preparing for exams? Let's break it down. Practical application is all about using what you have learned in real or simulated situations. This hands-on approach is especially effective for those who learn best by doing, known as kinesthetic learners. Instead of just reading or listening, these learners benefit from physically or mentally engaging with the material. One of the biggest advantages of practical application is that it transforms passive study into active learning. When you practice solving problems or answering questions, you are actively retrieving information from memory. This process strengthens your memory and makes it easier to recall information during exams. Simply rereading notes does not have the same impact as actively engaging with the material. Another benefit is that practical application helps you identify areas where you may need more focus. When you try to apply concepts, you quickly see what you understand well and what needs more attention. This targeted review can save you time and make your study sessions more efficient. Practicing under conditions similar to the actual exam can also build your mental endurance and reduce anxiety. Exams often requiring sustained focus and the ability to perform under pressure. By simulating these conditions through practice tests or real-world exercises, you can adapt to the exam environment, which can improve your stamina and lower stress levels. Moreover, practical experience enhances your problem-solving skills and adaptability. Many exams, especially in fields like engineering or medicine, present scenarios that requiring you to apply theoretical knowledge in new ways. By practicing these applications beforehand, you become more agile in your thinking and better prepared for unexpected questions. Confidence plays a significant role in exam performance as well. When you repeatedly apply your knowledge and see progress, your self-assurance grows. This boost in confidence can help reduce test anxiety and improve your overall performance. In summary, practical application aids exam preparation by turning passive study into active retrieval practice, highlighting areas needing improvement, building endurance, enhancing problem-solving skills, and increasing confidence. Incorporating practical application into your study routine, like taking practice exams or simulating real-world tasks, aligns well with kinesthetic learning strategies and leads to more effective exam preparation.